Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. This channel focuses on sharing affiliate marketing knowledge and helping you build effective affiliate systems on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and TikTok. In the previous video, I gave you an overview of the TikTok automation tool and how it can support your TikTok affiliate marketing workflow, right? So today, I'm going to show you how to add your TikTok accounts into our software step by step. Before we get into today's main content, let's roll the intro. Alright, first, go to the account management section. Inside this area, the first thing you should do is create categories. These categories help you organize your TikTok accounts more easily. For example, *main accounts, *backup accounts, *engagement accounts. If you manage multiple TikTok accounts, separating them into different categories will make everything much easier to manage. For example, your backup accounts can be used for engagement and interaction activities. So here, I'll place this account into a test category. Next, you can choose all accounts here. Then, you need to set up the threads option. The number of threads determines how many accounts the software can run at the same time. If you have many accounts and want to run all of them simultaneously, you can increase this number. However, the number of threads depends on your computer's RAM capacity. For example, if your computer has 16 gigabytes RAM, it can usually run around 20 threads smoothly. Now let's add a TikTok account. Click Add Account. Then select the category you created earlier. Next, choose the account format. Normally, if you buy TikTok accounts from external providers, they may come in different formats listed here. But if you're using your own TikTok account, you only need *username, *password. For the username, use the TikTok username shown below your TikTok profile name. Then type a vertical bar symbol. Please pay attention to this symbol. After that, enter your password. The software will then display an import box. Simply check the box and click Add. That's it, your TikTok account will appear in the account list. After adding the accounts, select all accounts here. Then right-click and choose Login TikTok. The software will automatically log in to all selected TikTok accounts for you. As you can see, the system is opening tabs automatically and logging into each account one by one. Right now, I only set it to 5 threads, so it only opens 5 tabs at the same time. Once the login process is complete, you need to wait until the cookie status appears. If the account is logged in but the cookie hasn't appeared yet, simply click Login again until the cookie is displayed. This is very important, because if the cookie is not saved, the next time you open the software, you'll need to log in again manually. But once the cookie is saved successfully, you won't need to log in again next time. You can directly use all other features immediately. Alright, that's the end of today's tutorial on how to add your TikTok accounts into the software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.